Right as I graduated high school, I went into college and went 4 years through the apprenticeship program. I'm 22 years old now, and now I'm a journeyman machinist. A lot of times, machinists may go their whole career and may not be able to get that credential of a journeyman. So I was able to accomplish that and kind of get ahead of the game a little bit. Through the apprenticeship, I also was able to get my machine tool degree and my drafting and design degree. The whole apprenticeship is kind of based around going to school and going to work. The company pays me to come down here and work, and then also pays my tuition and books at the college. The best thing about it is that the experience that you get that goes along with it. They kind of go hand in hand together. The theory in the classroom and the application of what it needs to be done, and then at the company where it actually is being done and how to carry out the things that you've learned at the college. To me, that goes a long ways because a lot of people may not want to hire a student just straight out of college. All they have is maybe that degree under their belt, which does hold a lot of weight. But in this machining world, experience goes a long ways.